Okay, let's go.
Is roasting your chicken and vegetables really worth the extra effort when making stock from scratch? Today, we're putting white chicken broth head-to-head with roasted brown stock, using the exact same ingredients to see which one comes out on top.
Let's go. For both batches, we're using simple, affordable ingredients. Bone-in. Skin on chicken leg quarters per pot for rich gelatin and flavor. 6 whole carrots, 3 yellow onions, and a full bunch of celery leafy greens included. 3 fresh garlic cloves and 3 bay leaves per pot. For the white broth, everything goes straight into the pot raw. Cold water goes in to cover everything, and we bring it up to a gentle simmer. Key rule here, never let it come to a rolling boil, or you'll emulsify the fats and end up with a cloudy broth. Same chicken quarters and veggies, lay them out in a baking dish, and rub the chicken with tomato paste and cracked black pepper. We roast at 400 until deep brown and caramelized. That caramelization is the Maillard reaction. It's where that deep roasted flavor comes from.
Ever wonder why cooked food tastes so good? It's the Maillard reaction. When proteins and sugars heat up, they create hundreds of delicious new flavors. That's the secret to browning.
Don't leave any flavor behind. Deglaze that baking dish with water or wine and pour every last drop of those crispy brown bits into the pot. Add everything to the pot. Add water till it is 2 inches above the stuff in the pot. Pro tip for both methods, simmer for about 45 minutes until the chicken meat is fully cooked. Pull the quarters out, shred off the juicy meat to use for meal prep or chicken soup later, and toss the skin and bones back into the pot. The skin contains collagen and fat that gives the stock its rich body. Let that simmer for another 30 to 60 minutes. Make sure to skim the foam off the top of your broth as it simmers. Once the time is up, strain out the solids. Notice I haven't added a single pinch of salt yet. Leaving your base stock completely unsalted gives you total control when turning it into soups, gravies, or sauces later on.
After a night in the fridge, the fat rises to the top and hardens into a cap. Keep that schmaltz in a jar. It's liquid gold for roast the secret to browning.
The white broth is clean, light, and delicate, perfect for noodle soup or risotto. The brown stock is rich, deep, and savory, ideal for pan sauces and hearty stews. Which method do you prefer? Let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.